What you see right here, guys, is a Rasta family. You have the son and you have the mother. Beautiful lady. I don't know how old she is. Look at her face. Look at that smile. You can see that she has a beautiful countenance about her. But guys, underneath this beautiful smile of this beautiful lady and this bright smile of this Rastaman lurks some stuff that is bewildering that family.
Welcome again, my people. You don't know it's Mackie out here from them Earth Strong. You see me? So right now we start set up for the cooking. You see me? Yeah, man. So see mama here now. Mama. What going on? Good morning again. Yeah, mama there for the Earth Strong. Come spend it with her. I can't spend it. I'm the best person to spend it with right now. Trust me, man. I'm telling you. You hear that?
Unbelievable! Hello guys, welcome back to Unbelievable one more time. Thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. Much love and respect to all of you from wheresoever that you are across the world. Greetings and prosperity and blessing. With no further ado, with no wasting time, we're gonna jump right into the video. And you probably saw the thumbnail and you saw the Rastaman. Yes, the Rastaman. Yes, you know, so the people them sometimes, you know, especially in Jamaica, sometimes the Jamaican people them not really show the love and the respect to them. Rastaman them. A lot of people sometimes don't really respect the Rastaman or the Rasta woman or the Rasta tradition in Jamaica. You see it? It's like sometimes the Rasta tradition and the Rasta way of life get scorned or get, get looked upon, get shunned. But we're gonna talk about this guy right here, and you're gonna see why I feature him on Unbelievable today. And at the end of this, you will understand why Unbelievable feature him on Unbelievable. Alright? So stay tuned, guys. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. And remember, bring your mug of tea, your mug of cocoa, your mug of vodka, your mug of rum, your mug of moonshine, because this one is going to be very unbelievable. Seriously. Don't go nowhere. Unbelievable. We'll be right back. What you're seeing on the screen right here is mother and son. A Rasta mommy and a Rasta son. And the son goes by the name Mackie, who has a channel in Jamaica that goes by Mackie Lifestyle Adventure TV. I'll repeat it again. Mackie Lifestyle Adventure TV, which I will be dropping his channel link in the description, so you can just jump over his channel. I hope that this one may be a eye-opener, that the people may see the Rastas in a different light and understand the thing more, how the Rasta tradition is and how the Rasta people have the capacity to love, because sometimes people misunderstand the thing. So what you see right here, guys, is a Rasta family. And you have the son and you have the mother. Beautiful lady. Look at her face. Look at that smile. You can see that she has a beautiful countenance about her. But guys, underneath this beautiful smile of this beautiful lady and this bright smile of this Rastaman lurks some stuff that is bewildering that family. Yes, stuff that is putting the family to the test. And also putting the Rastaman to the test to see how far he can push his limit. Yes, guys, there's trouble in Zion in the Rasta family. Me dey ya, mama and papa, so take you know and from you no ja. Yes, there's trouble in Zion. Trouble. There's trouble in the Rasta family. You may not know, but I'm gonna share it with you. Within all the smile that you see Mackie displaying, you wouldn't have known that this lady has dementia. Yes, she has dementia, guys. Yeah, dementia. And it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop there. There's more. And you probably say, what? There's more? Unbelievable. Yes, there's more. And on top of having dementia, she's also going blind. Yes. Yes, yes, guys, yes. When it rains, guys, it pours. When it rains, guys, it pours. Within all the smile that you see right here. That's why them say, guys, don't judge a book by its cover. Everybody have them situation to deal with. With all the gloomy smile and the bright countenance, Mackie mother a battle dementia, and on top of that, blindness sets in. I'm gonna put Mackie channel link in the description. You can go over to his channel. I think he has a phone number within his channel description. You can call him, find out for yourself. If I lie, me they tell. Me not tell no lie upon the Rastaman or upon the Rasta mommy. You see how beautiful she looks? With her natural white Rasta dread. You see how beautiful she look? This lady is going through a lot in her latter years. Yes, she's going through a lot, guys. But guess what? Look at her son. Look at her son right here. This is the young man that they call Mackie. I want you to look at Mackie for a minute. And just picture yourself in Mackie's shoes, taking care of your mother that has dementia and who is also going blind. Yes, just stop for a minute and just picture yourself, put yourself in Mackie's shoes. Now, some people probably gonna say, yeah, but you're unbelievable, but you make it seem as if what he's doing something great. He's doing something unbelievable. He's doing something extraordinary. He's doing something superb. He's doing something amazing. How many of us, if one of our parents develop dementia and also going blind, how many of us would be there to take care of that parent? Because I know that you're going to have some self-righteous naysayers going to come and say, oh, but unbelief, you make it look like, say, this guy is special and this Rasta is doing something different. This Bubba is amazing. This Natty is doing something awesome. This Dreadlocks boy is doing something wonderful. That is nothing. You may see the smile on his face. It takes a lot to take care of a loved one that is going blind. Anybody, you have somebody in your family or if you know somebody, you know what it is to deal with somebody with dementia. It's a lot. No, I don't know how Mackie react to his mother behind closed doors or off the camera, because sometimes you have some people when they will display a different personality on the camera, and then when the camera shut off, persons like these get abused the worst way. He'll treated in the worst way possible. I'm not saying that that's what Mackie is doing, but you have a lot of people that they have parents that are not able to take care of themselves anymore, and the person or persons or the child or the children, sometimes them abuse them. But based off of what you see in the video or based off of what you see on the screen, you can see the love and the unity between mother and son. And I'm not saying that because he's a Rastaman, that's why he's doing it. And I'm not trying to paint an image to you, the viewers, to let it seem as if because he's a Rastaman, he's exhibiting qualities that no other else human cannot exhibit. That is not what I am saying. What I am saying is this, is in Jamaica, where I'm from, sometimes the Rasta culture, the Rasta tradition is frowned upon, looked upon, scorned, belittled, and mocked. And they will let it seem as if Rasta people are not capable of showing compassion, showing love, caring, and all of that stuff. But this Rasta youth right here, Mackie, is debunking that nonsense. This guy spent quality time taking care of his mother. He would wash his mother hair and making sure that his mother get quality time from him. And I'm going to play a portion of the video for you again. Are you going to see the interaction between Mackie and his mother?
Yes, some people say, no, man. That's.
Don't tell me say no.
Well, CRP.
Don't tell me no.
Don't tell you no. All this. I'm gonna just take off this and drink this. Alright, I'll drink the coconut water. Go on, gotta watch this. Go on and drink it. Don't know if I just unpick it.
I don't know if it's the only son for the mother, but Mackie seemed to have tremendous patience. He's exhibiting so much patience with his mother. And yes, some of you gonna say, oh, but unbelievable. That is nothing. That is nothing unbelievable. Anybody can do that. A lot of sons would not be there for their mother that is suffering from dementia. A lot of kids wouldn't be there. They not move on.
There's Mackie out there from them earth strong, you see me? Right now we start set up for the cooking, you see me? Yeah man, so see mama here now. Mama. What about now? Good morning again. Yeah, I'm there for the earth strong, come spend it with her. I can't spend it. I'm the best person to spend it with right now. Trust me, man. Telling them. You hear that? So stay tuned. Alright, big up. It's a panel of wire, so I fit up the wire side. That is it, man. Big up. That is it, I'm gonna go and drink up, yeah. Careless. Why?
Yeah, no problem.
Eh?
No food.
Oh, I mean, the food that comes there, his finger.
Let me come out of the video so you guys can see what's going on. Do you see the patient that Mackie is displaying with his mother that has dementia and that is going blind? You see the patient, guys? On Mackie's birthday, you hear he said it in the video. There's no where we rather be than spending his birthday with his mother. Now, how many sons or how many daughters on their birthday would have gone spend time with a parent that is going through all of this? Some of them would say that, yo, I can't go spend my birthday with mama and papa because mama and papa they go take away from my birthday. I'm going to have to be there on my birthday taking care of mama and papa. I cannot do that. I have to go party and celebrate with my friends them. I will go look for mama next week. But Mackie said it is his earth strong and no place he would rather be than spending his earth strong with his mother. And to me, guys, that is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. Because I know within myself that there's a lot of us would have never choose to make that decision to spend our birthday with nobody that is suffering from dementia or going blind. We would rather want to go out with our peers, with our friends, go floss and go have a good time. Because it's our earth strong, it's our birthday. But what Mackie did, he spent time, quality time with his mother. He gave the quality time to his mother. It was his earth strong, his birthday, and he went and he celebrated with his mother. I can only imagine how his mother feel to have such a loving son. Oh God. Me there, ya, mama and papa. So take you no one from you no jar. And no matter how much Mackie make it seem easy and having a smiling countenance, it's a lot. Any of you watching this video, you have somebody that has special needs, or them have dementia, or them have Parkinson, or they have Alzheimer's, or they going blind, or they're bedridden. You know within yourself that it's not easy. It's not a easy task for nobody, neither for the Rastaman or the baldhead. It's not easy. So when I came across this Rasta youth from Jamaica video on YouTube, and I said, no man, I got to highlight this guy. I have to highlight this natty pan unbelievable and let the people them see him. When was the last time you go look for your mother or your papa? Guys, his link is in the description. You can reach out to him, talk to him, encourage him, strengthen him, give him some strength.
No, I'm going to tell you first. I first me a cook here and I end up food them there. See boss, them a pepper, them a float. Thick like wow. Yeah man, go on do your thing, Pat. Go on do your thing, cause you know the thing have to go on. Over here, so now my peeps. Peeps, see coconut milk and the thing, them as steam fish pot, yeah, steam down. You don't know. Steam on the veg and the thing, you don't know. And chubby right now, I'm gonna season it up. You don't know. Mama say it now have to go on. I'm gonna show you know it have to go on, man.
You have to go on.
A little all-purpose, which is one of the natural one, my people. Special all-purpose, you see the pepper, a little salt, pimenta. Yeah, man. Drop it like that tonight, you know? Yeah, man. So stay tuned until I drop you the thing, you know? So yes, my peeps, so right now I see steamed fish pot, yeah.
Matthew cooked some lovely authentic dishes, and if you're living overseas or you're residing in Jamaica, you can link up Mackie. You can link him up in his channel and he will cook some authentic food for you. Link him up in his channel. I drop his channel link in the description. He has a phone number also on his channel page. You can call him the next time you're passing through to Jamaica, or if you're in Jamaica and you want to go link him up, you can give him a call and let him cook some authentic food for you because he loves to cook. Yes. So link him up, guys. Show him some support. Alright?
I'm going to be things, huh? Oh, that's it, yeah. I'm not a sip.
That is it.
I'm going to put some can down to sit down on my camera. Sorry. Peeps, I'm going to run through the fish like wow. You alright?
Yes, what happened? I'm going to tell you, man.
Yeah, go on. Take off the fish. All time skelly up and skeleton. I heard that in the yellow fish head again. Look like you can do a next one now. What do you say? Can you do the next one? It nice? So you do the you pick up the fish eye so. Lord, I'm a fish eye, you know. I'm a fish eye, you know.
You know afraid You know afraid yeah, because when you're fishing.
Real life.
So we'll get your fishing line and gonna have the pan down there so.
And that me plan for
I'm
right
going
now.
to show
You know?
two lines because I have enough punk in there.
Next week, this evening I see where I go.
Yeah.
Real life.
Alright, MP.
Now I'm
Fix up,
going to
mama.
fun. Now I'm going to fun this time. What you want to do?
Fix up, mama, you know?
So we get a good enjoyment.
You see, mama can help herself, you know what I'm going.
Real life. And sit
See,
again.
man, that's. And sit.
I'm not tell you.
My sickness.
Yeah.
Guys, you can tell that he loves his mother. You can tell that they have a good relationship, a good mother and son relationship. And that says a lot. You know, that says a lot about Mackie. And Mackie, you're doing a good work. I know it's a lot, but you take it with a smile. You take it with love. You take it with patience, with such humility. Bro, I know everybody can do what you're doing. Unbelievable is telling you what you're doing for your mother is not any and anybody can do it. And I'm going to say it again. What you're doing for your mother, Mackie, it's not any and anybody can do it. Whole heap of people run left them parents and them gone because them say it's too much. A whole heap of kids run left them parents because them develop Alzheimer's, them develop Parkinson's, them develop dementia, them going blind, them get bedridden. The kids them can't be found. Sometimes a neighbor have to they take care of them. Sometimes them in at the home. Sometimes them find them unalive. Nobody's there to take care of them. So what Mackie is doing something unbelievable. Keep up the amazing work. Keep up the amazing work, bro. Keep up the amazing work. Just see what you they do. Just see what you they do, Mackie. And he will never let you falter. Keep on doing the great work. Alright? Guys, as I said, his channel link is in the description. Click on it, go over there, show him some support. You also can, he has a phone number if you want to reach out to him. You can reach out to him. He cook wonderful, ital, natural food down there in Jamaica. You're passing through. You can link him up. He will make you have a good time. Seriously, wonderful guy. I don't have to tell you no more. You can, when you watch his videos, you will see for yourself that this is not pretending. This is authentic. This is who Mackie is. Seriously. Alright? So bless up yourself, guys. This has been unbelievable one more time as we just showcase Mackie Lifestyle Adventure TV. Guys, remember Mackie. Remember his mother. Remember his family. Bless up yourself, guys. This has been unbelievable one more time. Much love and respect. Until I see you again, we can have a discussion in the comment section. I take a sip to you, bro.